What's the meaning of clod? Clod. Clod.
Clod. Clod. The term clod can have a few meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, a clod refers to a lump of earth or dirt, often used to describe an unrefined or clumsy person. It can also refer to a small chunk or mass of something, such as a clod of butter or clay. In a negative sense, being called a clod can imply a lack of intelligence or sophistication. In summary, clod means a chunk of dirt or an unrefined person who may lack intelligence or social graces.